Hello, I'm Becky Campbell from Sewforever. The quilt behind me is a sample of innovative applique. I want to show you how easy turned edge applique can be. Applique seems to be overwhelming for so many. I was overwhelmed. I took lots of classes and did not love my results. So I developed a method that addressed what I did not want to spend time on, like tracing shapes or a placement guide. Needle turn that left a lot to be desired, and cutting freezer paper out of the back of a project. Once I determined how successful I could applique without hours of practice, I wanted to share this method with everyone. What makes innovative applique so easy? We eliminate tracing by printing the shapes to freezer paper and printing a placement guide. Iron freezer paper to the right side of your fabric, nothing to cut out later. Trim your shapes with a small seam allowance. Turn the seam allowance down with a clover seam ripper and Roxanne's glue basted. The freezer paper holds the shape and only the seam allowance turns down, giving you precise results. Place all your shapes on the background fabric before stitching anything down. This saves time stitching areas that will be held in place by the shape on top. And there's a bonus. Learn how to create dimension with a super simple trapunto technique. I invite you to visit my website and sign up for the newsletter at the bottom of the homepage. Thank you for watching. I look forward to sharing these techniques that will enable you to enjoy applique.